Hi friend, thank you watching this video. Please subscribe and share now. So let's go. Firstly, you can type run. Run. I can click this run button. It's a very secret tips. So you can type space C colon / then click OK. You can see guys, this computer is very fast and you can make speed your computer. Just few minutes you can waiting. Your computer will be refreshed and very faster. Your computer or Windows will be refreshed and more refresh for make a speed. It will be take a few minutes, so you can wait and see. So guys, it will be in. Secondly, I can work start button, type the run and press the run icon. Repeat, PREAPTC, type the repeat, then OK button. Select all program. Control A, you can select all program. Then you can delete all virus and any caption. Yes, OK. Delete all virus. It's a very easy and simple way you can run fast your laptop or PC. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and share now. So thank you.